Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of Rituja Ki Pathshala. Myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to this session guys. In the previous lecture we have seen regarding the having clause and other clauses as well, how it is used and all. In today's lecture we are going to see the and clause, where it is used, its implementation and what are the scenarios regarding this. Okay, so what is it? Let's see it into detail guys. Please focus on the screen, it is very easy to understand. Now I will fetch one of the table from my database, that is select star from I want my table name called as employee details, okay, and semicolon. Now select this piece of code and hit the execute button guys. So as you can see, there is the employee details table and inside that there are number of columns present called as employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary and department number, okay. Now here we are going to see now what is and clause. If I am like select select star from employee details, my table name, okay, where I want employee where I want department number as 10 and e name as Girish, okay, I will just do this, or I will say that department number is 10 and job is salesman, where job equals to salesman and I am using and clause, and department number, you are seeing the recommendation, equals to let's say we are taking department number as 30. Now here as you can see in my code guys, what I have done here, simply select star from my table name whichever we are using, where we are able to fetch all the records from the table. Now here I have put where clause, then I put one condition, I want job is equals to salesman, then I have used the and clause, and after that I have put another condition, that is department is equals to 30. Whenever my record is having department number 30 and job equals to salesman, whenever these both conditions are getting satisfied, at that time only I will able to fetch that record from the table. So now I am only just hitting the execute button and just selecting the table. So see, first we will see it manually. Job we need salesman and department number we need 30. Means we will able to fetch this record whose name is Alan. Then again salesman, but department number is 20, so it will not be there. So we will get only one record. Let's see we are getting it or not. Just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, we are getting only one record whose department number is 30, our first or one of the condition, and we need a job is called as salesman. So this is one of the condition. So whenever my both conditions are getting satisfied, that is department number is 30 and job is salesman, at that time we are getting the details from the employee details table and we are able to fetch this record, okay. So this is the work of the and clause. Again we will see one of the example. Just select the table name. Now I need department number as 20 and I need department number as 20 and I want the salary greater than 50,000, okay. Now salary should be greater than 60,000 and department number 20. So what will happen, let's see. I will write the code. Select star from table name where salary greater than 60,000 and department number equals to, wait, I will write it here, 20, okay, semicolon. So select star from table name where salary should be greater than 60,000, department number equals to 20. We will firstly see it manually. Department number 20, then salary is greater than 60,000. Yes, this record will be fetched. Then salary, department number 20, salary greater than 60,000. Two records, department number 20, salary is not greater than. So only we will able to get the two records. Let's see. See, we are able to get the two records where department number is 20 and both are having the salary greater than 60,000, Shashi and Hina. These both person are having salary greater than 60,000 and their department number is 20. Whenever these both the conditions are satisfied, that is salary is greater than 60 and department is equals to 20, department number equals to 20, at that time only this AND clause is worked and we are able to fetch the record which are satisfying these both the conditions. Okay, so this is the work of the AND clause, guys. This is it for today's session, guys. In the coming lecture we are going to see about the like clause, how it works, what is its implementation, what are the extra details you need to learn regarding the like clause, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for your very precious time and have a nice day ahead.